For many years, I've been using a TENS unit to treat especially my back, also sometimes my shoulder and my elbow, as I'm sure you have. And then you have the device. You got the wire and cable, and then you got the electropad that you then have to connect to your body, and then you're more restricted because you have the wire. What if you could do it wirelessly? Now you can. Welcome to Sid's Tips, and today I'm so excited to share with you about a product called the VPod. That's right, this is a wireless unit that connects to this electropad, snaps on, and your smartphone. It is a product by a company called Massage Therapy Concepts. When they reached out to me and said, Sid, do you want to try it? I said, absolutely. I mean, I thought this was so cool, a game changer, and I really can't wait to dive in and share it with you. I'll give you my unbiased opinion. I'll also put a link in the description down below. There will actually be 2 links, and you can save up to 15% if you decide to order directly through their company website. And if you find this video of help, greatly appreciate a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber and find I can add value to you, then click that subscribe button, and of course the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So let me share with you what's included, and then I'll share with you just a few specs, and then I'll demonstrate it to you. It is so cool. So you get 3 of the electropads, you get 2 of the smaller and 1 of the bigger. These are replaceable. These are how they're packaged. Obviously, I've used one. It comes on this plastic sheet there that you can, reuse after when you're done using it, but even better, it comes with this plastic piece that you can attach it to. You can see it's got for the small and large size. And then you obviously, again, have the wireless disc. Then you have this mesh pouch that this zips in. And then you got your micro USB cable, also the wall charger for charging. By the way, it takes 2 hours for charging and 8 hours of use. So in between use, you can charge it up, which is great. Then, so in addition to this, then you get the carrying case. It's zippered on both sides mesh, and it's a really nice case, easy that you can take it on the go with you if you're traveling, put it into your suitcase. So very, very cool there. And then this is the packaging. So very, very, very cool. I'm so excited at the fact that this is a wireless unit. All right, so let me go ahead and show you how this works. A couple other things before I do that. This also comes with this sheet, 2-sided sheet, shows you obviously the human body there, and then these acupuncture treatment points guide. So you got that there as well. And then you also have you've got this quick start guide. So in the quick start guide, which is great, you're going to go to your app store, whether iOS or Android, and then you can use the QR code or just go directly to the store and type VPod and then download the app, and then it just shows you how to get started. And then there's color codes for the disc. So then you'll be able to turn it on. So if I turn it on now, you could see it's flashing blue, and it tells you there it's waiting to connect. It says blue light blinking, waiting to be paired with a smartphone. So they've done a great job. And then you've got the full booklet, which has got a lot more information there. All right, so now let me go ahead and turn it off. And it just, you press it press it once, turn it on. You press it again, it turns it off. And all right, we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna snap it on. So you're gonna do the back, snap it on like this, very easily. Now I normally wouldn't reuse the sheet. I'm gonna start using the plastic. And by the way, there's the thing you can pull off the plastic there. So it's got a covering on there. So I am going to use my shoulder area to demonstrate in this case. And there is a little bit of a lip there to make it easy to peel off, so you're not getting your fingers on the sticky part, which if it starts losing its stickiness, eventually you could buy new replacements, but you can also add some water as just to get something damp on there, and then you should be good to go to keep reusing it. All right, so there we go. So you can see how that just sits on the body like that, and now you're good to go. All right, let me grab my smartphone. I've got my Google Pixel 5. Let me just make sure that this is on good. All right, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna share my screen now, and then we're gonna go in the app, and it's so cool. All right, here we are. So you get the app, you're gonna click VPod, You can see there, massage therapy concepts. You need to check, I agree. You're gonna click start. Now you can see here, VPod would like to use Bluetooth. You click OK. Now we're gonna go ahead and press on, and it found the device right away, so which is great. And now VPod device A successfully paired. Now you can get multiple VPods, so if you want to do 2 body parts, and you click next. Now from what I understand, you can't break it out separately. They both would have to be the same kind of treatment you're gonna do. Now this, by the way, uses TENS and EMS, and they also have another one called NMES. Let me actually just share with you. So for the TENS, it's a electrical nervous system is TENS. EMS is electrical muscle stimulation, and NMES is neuromuscular electric stimulation. And when you go to the website, you'll be able to get more information so you can really learn about those and what works best. And then once you come into the app, as you can see here, you've got 24 different options with 20 intensities. So you got a whole lot to choose from. And you'll see device A. If you had another one, it would say device B. So once you start clicking on it, one shows you what it is. So in this case, it's acupuncture. Number 2 is cupping. If I want to go to 14, it's butterfly. And then it will show on the top right-hand corner whether it's EMS or TENS or both. So let me find one. So you got this one, 9 is striking, and that is both of the technologies. And then looks like there's just one, NMES. Then on the bottom, you have you could do from 1 minute to 60 minutes. So you could see that there. Now for some reason it disconnected. Not a problem, probably because I haven't chosen anything yet. And maybe it's just for saving the battery. So then moving right along there on the bottom, you got power, which is 1. So once you start it, which is that play button, the middle button, then you'll see the power button. And then the bottom right one is the lock. And so that will allow you so nothing is touched accidentally. So we're gonna go ahead and in this case, acupuncture. Now I would wait once you press play, and you can see there at 19 minutes, 58 seconds, it's now starting. Give it a couple of seconds so it could send the signal to the device and then increase it, because you'll start feeling it. If you go too high, you're like, I don't feel anything. It can get pretty intense very quickly. So my suggestion is wait a couple seconds and then go slowly up. And then you could just find one that you like and then go with that. And it is so cool. Now, let's just say you want to just stop for a second. You press stop and you have to turn it off. You could see it turns the app off. Again, you press it, turn it back on. It pairs really quickly, which is great. And next, and then you're back in the app. So that's it. It's a really fantastic way to treat yourself with TENS, EMS, and NMES. So let me know what you think. I think this is a game changer, and I definitely give this 2 thumbs up to the company. Well done. I'm excited about using this to treat myself. And again, you can get multiple of these for your body, and I will put a link in the description so you could learn more about it and you can order it. So I really appreciate your time. Stay healthy. This is so much nicer now than having a wire, and you got so many great options. Again, you get 24 different options, 20 intensities. This is a win-win. All right, everybody, have a great day. Take care.